If you watched my last video, you know what it took for me to install a Ford 5.0 into my BMW M3. With all that done, it was now time for the very first drive. Safety first. In neutral, let's go. Clutch is numb. Brakes are squishy. There's my dog. We're almost up to temp. It's chilly outside. Oh, that's backwards. Press down to go up. The clutch grabs right off the floor. That'll need to be adjusted. Clutch is burning. Oh, there's some incredible smells coming from this thing. The idle's good. The throttle's a little stiff. Let's go around the block. See if I get stuck. Oh, something's ripping. Maybe. Yeah. That's just moisture at the exhaust. Not a pleasant drive. Everything is clunky and jerky, and the clutch is numb. The brakes they're there, I guess. Oh, so much for a blinker. Gas pedal is so stiff off the bottom. It feels pretty good. Clutch needs some breaking in. It is sketchy. Alright, lots of auto tune happening already. And it is a sudden jerk when I pull off the throttle. It is pretty severe. Stick on the throttle. It really sticks right off the closed position, so that is difficult to just tip in with a little bit of throttle. Steering wheel's crooked, but I knew that was going to happen when I messed with the steering column. Let's loop around. I think every piece of the interior is squeaking against every other piece of the interior over every bump. And how did I take 95% right turns? I don't know, that's talent. Let's see how we did. Coolant temps at 200. Oil pressure's good, fuel pressure's good. Brake bars are decent, battery's charging, idling at 800 RPM. That's a pretty successful first drive. So now with the car running and driving, it was time to take my ever-supportive wife for a little ride around the block. And what good is a first drive video without a burnout?